Is the Facebook Marketplace not working properly? Let's get your buying or selling back on track. Are your buyer or seller having issues? Let me know in the comments below. First, check commerce eligibility. You can check it from facebook.com/commerce-manager/eligibility. Update your payment methods. The expired cards block all marketplace activity. Clear marketplace search history. Too many flagged items can shadow ban your access. For mobile fix, uninstall and reinstall the app. This refreshes marketplace permissions. Join 3 local buy or sell groups. Marketplace prioritizes active community members. Is it fixed? If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.